7 fish recipes that will help you lose weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Looking to lose some extra weight while enjoying delicious meals? We've put together a collection of 7 fish recipes that are not only tasty, but also perfect for achieving your weight loss goals. Fish is an amazing source of protein that contains low calories and is packed with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. These recipes are specially crafted to give you a variety of flavors and cooking methods so that you will never get bored of your healthy eating routine. Number 1. Vegetable salad, 290 calories. Vegetable salad is a nutritious and low-calorie option that complements fish recipes, perfect for those aiming for weight loss. With just 290 calories, this salad provides a refreshing and satisfying meal packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Vegetables are an excellent source of nutrients while being low in calories, making them ideal for weight management. They offer a variety of health benefits, including supporting digestion, boosting immunity, and promoting overall well-being. This salad allows you to incorporate a variety of colorful vegetables, ensuring a diverse range of nutrients in your diet. Paired with fish, it adds lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which can aid in weight loss and support heart health. Enjoy this vegetable salad alongside your favorite dish for a wholesome and satisfying meal. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: assorted vegetables such as lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, bell peppers, carrots, and red onions, grilled or baked fish fillets, fresh herbs, lemon juice or vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a vegetable salad. Number 2. Shrimp and quinoa, 310 calories. Shrimp and quinoa is a flavorful and nutritious dish that is perfect for those looking to lose weight. With just 310 calories, this recipe combines the lean protein of shrimp with a high fiber and protein-packed quinoa. Shrimp is low in calories and fat while being rich in protein, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. Quinoa is a nutrient-dense grain that provides complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential minerals. This dish offers a good balance of macronutrients, keeping you feeling satisfied and nourished. Additionally, shrimp is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to various health benefits, including weight management and heart health. Enjoy this shrimp and quinoa recipe to satisfy your taste buds while supporting your weight loss journey. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 1 pound shrimp peeled and deveined, assorted vegetables, fresh herbs, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. And here are the instructions for making a shrimp and quinoa. Number 3. Cod Recipe, 300 calories. Cod is a nutritious and low-calorie fish that makes for a perfect choice in healthy fish recipes for weight loss. With just 300 calories, this recipe offers a delicious and satisfying meal that is rich in protein and low in fat. Cod is a lean fish that provides essential nutrients like vitamins D and B12, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and aid in weight management. By incorporating cod into your diet, you can enjoy a flavorful and nutritious meal while promoting weight loss. This recipe allows you to prepare cod in a simple yet delicious way, ensuring a wholesome and satisfying eating experience. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: cod fillets, lemon juice, garlic cloves minced, fresh herbs, salt and pepper, olive oil. And here are the instructions for making a cod recipe. Number 4. Hummus with salmon recipe, 430 calories. Hummus with salmon is a nutritious and flavorful recipe that can be a great addition to your healthy fish recipes for weight loss. With approximately 430 calories, this dish combines the protein-rich goodness of salmon with creamy and fiber-packed hummus. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to various health benefits, including weight management and heart health. Hummus made from chickpeas provides plant-based protein and dietary fiber, helping you feel full for longer. This recipe offers a balanced combination of nutrients, including healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which are essential for weight loss and overall well-being. Enjoy this delicious and satisfying dish as part of your healthy eating plan to support your weight loss goals while indulging the flavors and nutritional benefits of salmon and hummus. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: salmon fillets, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper, hummus. And here are the instructions for making a hummus with salmon recipe. Number 5. Baked sole with potatoes, 360 calories. Baked sole with potatoes is a healthy and satisfying fish recipe that is perfect for weight loss. With approximately 360 calories, this dish offers a balanced combination of lean protein from the solefish and energy-providing carbohydrates from the potatoes. Sole is a low-calorie and low-fat fish that is rich in essential nutrients like vitamins B12 and D, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. Potatoes, when prepared without excessive added fats, are a good source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. This recipe provides a nutritious and flavorful option that supports weight loss by offering a satisfying meal without compromising on taste. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: sole fillets, potatoes thinly sliced, lemon juice, fresh herbs, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil. And here are the instructions for making a baked sole with potatoes. Number 6. Cod and bean mash, 390 calories. Cod and bean mash is a nutritious and satisfying fish recipe that can aid in your weight loss journey. With approximately 390 calories, this dish combines the lean protein of codfish with fiber-rich and protein-packed beans. Cod is a low-calorie fish that is rich in essential nutrients like vitamins B12 and D, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health and weight management. Beans provide a good source of plant-based protein, dietary fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. This recipe offers a balanced meal with a combination of lean protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates to keep you feeling full and satisfied. By incorporating cod and bean mash into your diet, you can enjoy a flavorful and nutrient-dense options that supports weight loss while providing essential nutrients. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need the following ingredients: cod fillets, white beans, garlic cloves minced, lemon juice, fresh herbs, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil. And here are the instructions for making a cod and bean mash. Number 7. Low-carb salmon with salsa, 280 calories. Low-carb salmon with salsa is a delicious and healthy fish recipe that is perfect for weight loss. With approximately 280 calories, this dish combines the nutritional benefits of salmon with a flavorful fresh salsa topping. Salmon is a fatty fish that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health and aid in weight management. The salsa made with vegetables and herbs adds vibrant flavors and provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This recipe is low in carbohydrates, making it suitable for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. By incorporating low-carb salmon with salsa into your meal plan, you can enjoy a nutritious and satisfying option that supports your weight loss goals while providing the many health benefits of salmon and fresh vegetables. And here are the instructions for making a low-carb salmon with salsa. And that concludes our list of 7 fish recipes that will help you lose weight. Do you happen to know any healthy fish recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!